Tumblers Today is a pre-war guide focused on the principles of modern lock design, offering insights into how commercial and residential locks operate. Though written for locksmiths, its knowledge now helps scavengers and adventurers open safes and sealed doors scattered throughout the wasteland. Reading this book permanently increases the player character's lockpick skill by 3 points, or by 4 with the comprehension perk, improving their ability to pick complex locks and access hidden treasures. This issue can be found in the casino floor area of the Sierra Madre Casino.
Cessation of hostility.